And this is the electrolytic can when it's completely gutted. As you can see, there was a very fat roll of I would say electrolytic solution soaked paper and aluminum paper. I'm not going to unroll it, it's way too dirty and probably not very healthy. Now to get to it, I had to uncrimp the edge, as you can see, of the electrolytic can. Then I had to take out this ring. Actually it fell out, so that was easy. Then on top of this, of the contacts, was placed a rubber ring, a sealing ring, this one. Then I found the contact, let's say lid of the electrolytic can. As you see, there's still a little bit of the electrolytic solution on its contact, so it's still a little bit wet. And then underneath that there was another sealant ring, this one, which still has a little bit of a contact left, which was the mass. So that ring actually connected the mass, or the negative of the capacitor, to the outside of the can. And then you had the capacitor itself, this one, and you can see the stick poking out of it. I used a small wooden stick to poke through the vent which was built on top, built-in on top of the electrolytic can. Now normally the vent is a closed piece of rubber, and probably its strength is calculated in such a way that should the capacitor fail, dramatically fail, the vent, or rather the rubber, would tear and the gases would be allowed to flow out through a hole there. But I use it to poke out the old capacitor. And as you can see, the can is still a little bit dirty, but I'll clean it out, and I think I have plenty of space to put in the new electrolytics inside, so that should pose no problem.